Here, just pull it open.
Watch in case it's a skunk. I don't know.
I don't see anything yet. Let me see this. Oh, I gotta get up in here higher. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to get over
Look
here.
at it.
Don't see anything. Don't see anything yet.
That's what it really sounded like he was. You gonna be able to get that back in?
Yeah. It's just plastic. Ooh, back under a little bit. Dead spider. Oh shit! I don't fucking know. What the hell was it? Whatever it is, it's right there.
It's a bat? It's a bird? It looks like a bird, not a bat. Feels like a bird.
What is something with fucking claws trying to claw up quick as fuck? Oh,
It's a bat.
a
It's a
bird.
bird.
No, it's a bird.
Okay, get away. That's fine. Get away before he gets out.
I don't know if he can get out of that.
He will.
Hell on the fucking living earth.
Oh, beautiful.
Fucking gorgeous.